Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today we are going to make a baked balsamic eggplant. It is delicious, can be made in less than 1 minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the ends of our eggplant. You can use any type of eggplant you want. Now we're going to lightly salt our eggplant halves, and each of them is going to have just a tidbit of salt. And then we're going to add a couple of garlic cubes. Just add it, brush it on top, and voila, it takes a second. Now we're going to place our eggplant onto a baking pan. And you can line the baking pan with some silly pads or with some parchment paper. Now we're going to add some balsamic vinegar, and it looks thick, but it is not a reduced balsamic. It is a balsamic from Modena that I love, and it is going to become sweet as the eggplants roast. Now we're going to add some drizzle of olive oil onto all of our eggplant, and we are ready to bake. We are baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be 350 convection like I'm doing. We're gonna bake them on a preheated oven for about 7 to 8 minutes, and add the basil leaves. Now, check this out, we're ready! Our eggplant is done beautifully, and we are gonna add some extra balsamic at the end. Why? Because we want our double balsamic eggplant to be sweet and savory. Savory with the last balsamic, sweet from the first that was baked within the eggplant. Now we can serve our eggplant just as it is, if it's a side dish. But if you want to have it as a main dish, all you have to do is add some yogurt. That will add all the protein you need, and it'll be beautiful and delicious. And it can be dairy, and it can be soy. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.
Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.